Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Hope everyone is doing well, trying to stay cool. It's been pretty much a scorcher out here in Illinois, and it's not going to get any better. I guess we're supposed to be getting some pretty high temperatures, record-breaking temperatures in the next few days, which brings me to basically why I have not been on YouTube too much. I've been kind of enjoying what's left of the summer a little bit with my family and getting a few things done. Been practicing a little bit of guitar. We'll be putting up a video, can't say exactly when, but when I feel comfortable enough to. I've been practicing a little bit here and there, and still working out the bugs and shit like that. But anyways, been doing a few things around here. Been trying out some new headsets, and one of the new headsets that I picked up was the Marshall's let's see, the Major 2, which are a Bluetooth set headphones. And I gotta say, they're not like the Sennheisers as far as sound quality goes, but they're pretty damn near close to it. And I'm trying to work out a system here to where I could be totally wireless from the computer and from the Line 6 UX2, and end up play guitar, have the headsets on, and be wireless while doing it. It's working out so far pretty good. Just gotta kind of get the UX2 and the Bluetooth to work together to where I have audio output on one and input on the other. And we're still working on that. But anyways, that's not what this video is about. I said in the past a long time ago that I was going to have a contest, and now here it is. So the starting date of this contest is going to be today, July 17th, 2019, and it will end on July 31st. 2019. And what's going to be given away in this contest? Well, a set of the Crusaders red and black pickups, Dragonfires. They're not bad pickups, very inexpensive. I've been using Dragonfires in a lot of different guitars, and I seem to like them. I like them pretty much, and pretty good actually. And very easy to wire up, and not really. If you're into metal and shit like that, then these guys are pretty good, especially the Crusaders. So that will be on the block as far as giving away. Now, how is this contest going to work out? Well, okay, I'm including US and Canada. I'm not going to include the UK because UK shipping is a little bit of a pain in the ass. They want telephone numbers, and from the US, they wanted you to put a telephone number for the UK address, just in case, I guess, if the person's not home or something, they can get a hold of them. I don't know why, or whatever. But it's only going to be US and Canada for the Dragonfire Crusaders, and these are the red and black. The box has been opened, but they have not been used. They are brand new. So now, how this is going to work? Well, it's going to be a number game. All right, so you pick a number from anywhere from 1 to, say, well, let's go 2000. Okay, and see how that works out. So again, this is going to be a contest that starts today, right now, on the 17th of July, 2019, and will end on July 31st, 2019. So you got, 2 weeks pretty much. And yeah, and the contest will be announced, whoever the winner will be. Like I said, it's a number game. The contest will be announced on the following month on the 1st or the 2nd. So how does that sound? Hopefully it works out. Hopefully you guys are interested, and good luck to everybody who jumps in on this. So, Dragonfire. Take care all. Take it easy. Have a good one. Stay cool. And I will see you guys later.